Let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 94,590. And the overall situation of Bitcoin is a bit tricky in a sense that it has ended up creating double top. Now, of course, if it reverses from here, it will end up creating a double bottom and it will start getting bullish. But that is something that we are yet to see. Now, the neckline of this thing is 92,500. And slowly, Bitcoin is going towards that. Will it achieve it or not? We don't know. We will see. But the thing is, we do have we had some events like Bitcoin options. They expired. Market pumped a little in advance, and then later on it dumped a bit. Not that much. It was hardly a move of $2,000 up and $2,000 down. So nothing crazy has happened, but sometimes what happens is that the effect of the event is delayed sometimes up to 2 days by Bitcoin. So we cannot totally negate the impact of Bitcoin options. If the market has an intention of dumping, there is a possibility that it would do it in next 48 hours. Otherwise, for it to go down, it needs to break 92,500. Only after that we can say, okay, now the downward journey is starting, and it's not going to be anything crazy. This is a very small double top. You can see it from the larger perspective. It's not that big. So we have to pretty much assume that after it breaks 92,500, most probably Bitcoin will see below $90,000 for the first time. So one good thing that this double top can do, it can push Bitcoin into the region of under 90K that we have not seen for a very long time. And when I say a very long time, let me tell you how long is this. It's from, just a second, I think it's 14th of November. Yeah. So from 14th of November up till now, it's more than a month now, 1.5 months almost, that we have not gone below 90K. So the journey below 90K is going to be extremely interesting. The moment we dip below 90K, there's going to be some kind of reaction. Of course, the first reaction is always buy, that it's a buying opportunity. And then the market calms down because the market continues to go down, and the overall power of buyers, they start getting weak too. But apart from that, if you look at it from a larger perspective, if we look at this thing, I do feel that some people might have started calling this thing head and shoulder as well. It's not a clean structure, but it do look like one head. It do look like a shoulder. Sorry, this is a shoulder, this is the head, and there is another shoulder. But it doesn't qualify. It's too broken, too ugly to be called that. But there is a possibility that some people might have identified it as a head and shoulder, and they might be considering this as a top, and they might be shorting Bitcoin, thinking that Bitcoin is going to continue to go down. Now that possibility is there, but we don't care about any of that. What we cared was 102. Once we lost $102,000, we pretty much assumed that we are going to go down. Irrespective of what Bitcoin does, everything that it would do would be fake. And I still stick to that concept. If Bitcoin doesn't break above $102,000, everything that Bitcoin would do would not be real. It would be fake, and eventually it will go down, which means that everything would be a trap to catch people. And so far, so good. I mean, we are safe from how long now? From 18th of December up till now, we are doing well because it has lost 102 since then, and since then it's been a week. We are doing fine. Bitcoin really needs to go above 102 to declare that the upward journey has started. If it doesn't, then it's all fake outs, and we have to assume that it is eventually breaking 90K, and we are going to see 85K after a very long time. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.